In today's video, we will see how to fix the Bose Audio CarPlay not working. Apple Car Connectivity Troubleshooting Guide. Fix 1. Check your USB cable input. So use a high quality Apple certified USB cable. Then connect the cable directly to the CarPlay USB port on the Bose stereo. Then try a different USB cable if CarPlay does not launch. Inspect both the phone charging port and these two stereo USB port or for dust or dirt. Fix 2. Make sure CarPlay is enabled on your iPhone. So open the settings, then go to General, then click on CarPlay. Now verify that Bose receiver appear in the list. If it listed, remove it and set up again. Ensure Siri is enabled, as CarPlay requires Siri to function properly. Fix 3. Restart your iPhone and stereo. Turn off your iPhone and restart it. Then turn the vehicle off completely and wait about 30 seconds and restart it. Now reconnect your iPhone and test CarPlay again. Fix 4. Forget and reconnect CarPlay. On your iPhone, go to the settings, then click on General. Now click on CarPlay. Now select your vehicle and tap Forget this device. Now reconnect the phone using a USB and complete the setup process again. Now the Fix 5 update iOS and stereo firmware. Install the latest iOS update on the iPhone. Then check for Bose Audio Support website for firmware update for your specific model. Now software update often fix CarPlay compatibility problem. The Fix 6 reset the Bose head unit. If CarPlay still does not work, perform a soft reset using the reset button if your model has one. If that fails, perform a hard reset by disconnecting the radio, power harness, or the vehicle battery for about 10 seconds and reconnect it. Note that the reset restores factory settings. Goodbye and thanks for watching.